The Vortex motorcycle stand comes in three main components, three main pieces, and some hardware. And yeah, that's it. Didn't even come with instructions. So it's gonna be a little bit of a guessing game, not too much, but I'm pretty sure, just like a puzzle you buy at the store, pieces fit a certain way, bolt it on. Let's see how it works out. All right, I wanted to show you something real quick. So the hardware seems pretty basic. You have, I guess, like what you call these hex keys right here, and you get four of them, one on each opposite side, to bolt the pieces or join the pieces together. You even get this plastic washer, so it looks like this. But the problem that I'm having is that this particular one over here doesn't seem like it's threaded properly. It almost feels like it's already stripped on the inside, not on the actual nut or bolt itself, but on the inside. So I got to be careful because I don't want to damage it. And then the other two pieces here that you adjust for your spools, that was pretty simple here. No need for instructions, although I did find this little level inside the hardware as well, but I'm not sure exactly where that would get bolted onto. I didn't see a spot for it. So other than that, I'm gonna finish it up here and try to figure out what the problem is with this bolt and see if I can get it on. All right, the next step is to get my spools on. The spools get located here and on the other side here. And this is what they look like. I know that I have to adjust. They're adjustable. I know these are adjustable right here, but I'm so scared because I don't want to drop my bike, and I'm trying to see if they fit, and I almost feel like I want like an extra hand because I'd hate to catch myself dropping the bike right now, but I'm gonna keep showing you. All right, I was not expecting it to get that high. I don't know if I have. It seems really, really high in the rear. Really high. I was able to get it up. Terrifying as heck. But it does seem real high that we're in. Now, let's see if I can pull it back down without dropping the bike. All right, my first impressions of the Vortex motorcycle stand. I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. I did have one bolt that gave me some issues. I thought it was cross-threaded, but I was able to marry all three components together. With that said, I'm gonna give you a quick walk around.
Biggest wish. Cool, I spend my time just thinking about you. Every single day, guess I'm really missing you. And all those things we used to do. Hey girl, what's up? It used to be just me and you.
I spend my time just thinking about you. Every single day, guess I'm really missing you. And all those things we used to do. Hey girl, what's up, yo? What's up,
Can
what's
you
up,
meet me
what's up?
halfway? Right up the borderline is where I'm going away. For you, I'll be looking out night and day. Took my heart to the limit, and this is where I'll stay. I can't go any further than this. I want you so bad, it's my only wish.
Girl, I travel around the world and even sail the 7 seas. Across the universe and go to other galaxies. Just tell me